In today's video, we're going to look at these LyTool drill bits. They come in a set of 6 pieces, including 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 millimeter sizes. These have a little bit of cooling wax right on the top, which helps reduce the temperature during use, so you don't have to keep dipping them in water. They also come in these amazing plastic sleeves to make sure you don't actually lose them. Stay tuned for the whole video.
So these are the LyTool Diamond drill bit set, 3/16, 5/16, 3/8, 1/4, 1/2, and the 1/4 auxiliary bit. When it comes to porcelain tile or any tile, you have to have very specific bits, and if you're making round holes especially, you definitely want to get the ones with the diamond on top.
What I really also like is that they come in these plastic tube sleeves, and it's like a double safety.
This is what we're talking about. You see this stuff on the front here? These are little diamond pieces. You can't sell them, but this is what allows you to go drill through the hole. Now on the inside, you're gonna see a little wax, that blue stuff there. So that dissipates the heat. So usually when you're drilling through any thick tile, whether it's wet or dry, you try and dissipate the heat so it doesn't ruin the bit. So this essentially is gonna release a little wax as it's drilling, so it's going to cool itself down while drilling. This one is 8mm, 5/16. So we're going to pre-drill a couple of holes for our new television mount in the tile, and we're going to see how this works, and we're going to do this in real time. This is called a starter bit. So this punches a hole, right? So you would start off with this, drill it in the tile until you get a little bit of a hole, and then you can keep going with that. That's got a standard shank, so it can fit in any drill. And when you're starting these off, if this is your tile here, you do not want to start this way. You want to start the angle slowly until you create a groove, and then once you have the groove, then you straighten out and you keep going. When you're pressing with the drill, don't force it. Go on a hammer drill setting and then just let the bit do its thing. Do not press it in, and maybe have like a little cup with cold water. Even though there's wax in here, you still can go and cool it ever so often. All right, so let's go get started. All right, so here's our mount here. We're gonna take and pre-drill a couple of holes in here. So the first one what we're going to do is we're going to screw one. We could do one in here because we started it. Let's go put this in our Ryobi drill. So this is just a standard Ryobi drill. All right, so let's see how good this works. So that's quite quickly, and you can actually see the wax right here. If I touch it, see that? That's actual wax that already dried on my finger. So let's keep going. Alright, so now that we got the hole, let's go and put our bolt inside. Alright, so let's go and drill a hole from the beginning, and we're going to use the same bit. Wax is gone, and we already notched it here. So let's begin. And that's it. There it is, and there's our stud. Now sometimes the leftover tile will be inside here, so you're gonna have to just kind of bang it out. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with these. Definitely worth the money.